Hello, everyone. I'm Chris of Cohesive Consulting, where I help high-performing entrepreneurs streamline their business so they can operate in their zone of genius and stop being all over the place and chaotic. All right. So what I'm going to show you today in our lesson is how to actually create a daily agenda sent to your email using Google. So you have your personal assistants right in Google Calendar, sending you an agenda of all your daily appointments and schedules for you can actually see it all at one time versus going on your phone, check, check, check. So this helps to streamline your time, increase your productivity, as well as plan ahead accordingly. All right. So if you open up on your desktop or laptop, your Google Calendar, you'll see it spread out and it looks similar to this. Okay. I have different calendars set up within here on my Google Calendar, which you all can do as well. And we can talk about that another day, how to have multiple calendars within your one Google Calendar. But I have my calendars and I have it color coded on importance and whatnot. So if you go into settings here in the gear button on your far right and hit settings again, okay, you will go into your particular calendar you want. If you have multiple, if you only have one in here, you'll go into that one, click it. All right, scroll down, make sure everything is correctly. Eastern time zone is where I'm at. Okay, my calendar, I have it set to private to me, not to public. Okay, my notifications I have set, and scroll down. Now I had this turned off for I can show you how to do it. Under other notifications, all right, you will actually see daily agenda right here. You will see daily agenda. So if you go into daily agenda, receive a daily email with the agenda for this calendar, you can hit email. All right. Event responses. I have all these turned to email. So when I get a new event, I get an email sent when something has popped up, like someone scheduled a booking with me, a changed event. Let's say someone changes the time. Okay. A cancel event, the event response email. I want all notifications. Now you can turn these off and hit none if you like, but I like mine to be emailed so I can receive that. So my virtual assistant who does my email management also see that as well. Okay. So she knows what my calendar is. She knows when she has anyone that inquires about my services throughout social media. She already knows my agenda without having to go and look at individual times per day and whatnot. This helps streamline both of our time, I promise you. Okay. You can also do some integration with your calendar, but we will talk about that another time as well. So it's easy as that. If you have other calendars, you will do the same thing as well. Okay. So I have my productive work habits. Scroll down to other notifications. I have that emailed to me. Okay. That's just one of my calendars, but I'm watching. I have my calendars on watch. So all these are being watched per se. And it's just that easy to actually go in and get emails every day from your daily agenda. All right. So thank you for coming in to watch this quick tutorial. Hope this helps to streamline your business and save yourself some time, as well as give yourself some grace today. Nobody's perfect. Okay. No one is perfect, but we do help to make sure your process and your efficiency is up to date when it comes to your business. And if you miss something, guess what? You're human. All right. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. Talk to you all later.